Imagine this. You could unlock 10 easy marks in your English FAL exam in just 20 minutes. Most Matric learners lose marks here simply because they don't know the system. Want to try summary writing into your secret weapon? Let's go. Welcome to Professor Ray's channel, where grade 12 learners master English FAL, conquer Matric, and unleash their greatness. Subscribe now for weekly exam hacks that actually work. Strategy number 1. The game you are playing. Here's the truth. Summary writing isn't about showing off your English. It's about playing the marking game perfectly. You get 20 minutes, 10 marks, and strict rules. 7 content marks, the main points. 3 language marks, your own words. Copying, instant penalty. Markers can spot it immediately. The good news? Once you know the system, it's actually the easiest section to score full marks. Strategy number 2, the points method. Meet the points method, your step-by-step system for 10 out of 10 summaries. P stands for Parse the instructions. Spend 2 minutes. Read the question twice. Circle keywords. Know exactly what your 7 points must answer. O stands for outline while reading. Spend 5 minutes. First read, big picture. What's this passage really about? Second read, hunt for 8 to 10 possible points. Look for signal words. For example, firstly, secondly, however, in addition, most importantly, and furthermore. These are your gold mines. I stand for identify your best 7. Spend 2 minutes. Pick the strongest, non-repetitive points. Ignore examples. Focus on main ideas. N stand for no copying zone. Spend 8 minutes. If you spot 3 words in a row from the passage, change them. For beginners, start simple. Students becomes learners. Problems becomes challenges. Important becomes useful. Ready for more? Flip the whole sentence for bonus points. Here's the original sentence. Reading improves students' vocabulary. Your version? Learners develop better word knowledge through books. T stands for tighten your format. Spend 2 minutes. Make sure your sentences are numbered 1 to 7. 1 sentence each. 8 to 12 words maximum. No copied phrases. Every word counts. S stands for scan and submit. Spend 1 minute. Here is your final checklist. Number 1, 7 points. Number 2, under 70 words. Number 3, no copying. Number 4, word count in brackets at the end of your summary. Strategy number 3, see it in action. Let's try a real exam question. Question: list the benefits of reading for teenagers using your own words in no more than 70 words. Here is the passage. Reading offers numerous advantages for young people today. Firstly, students who read regularly show improved vocabulary and language skills in all subjects. Additionally, books help teenagers develop better concentration and focus abilities, which proves essential during exam preparation. Furthermore, exposure to literature develops critical thinking capacities as readers analyze characters and plots. Most importantly, regular reading significantly reduces stress and anxiety level among adolescents. Stories also build empathy and emotional intelligence by exposing readers to different perspectives and experiences. Research shows that academic performance improves through better reading comprehension skills. Finally, reading provides both entertainment and mental stimulation during leisure time. Watch me work through these. Here's a perfect answer. Number 1. Reading enhances vocabulary and language skills. Number 2. Books improve concentration and focus abilities. Number 3. Literary exposure develops critical thinking capacity. Number 4. Regular reading reduces stress and anxiety levels. Number 5. Literature builds empathy and emotional intelligence. Number 6. Academic performance improves through better comprehension. Number 7. Reading provides entertainment and mental relaxation. Your word count is 54. Now, let's see what not to do. Number 1. Reading improves students' vocabulary and language skills. You copied. Number 2. It helps with concentration. That's too vague. Number 3. Critical thinking. That's not a complete sentence. Number 4. For example, Harry Potter books. You are using examples, not main points. Strategy number 4. Mistakes that kill marks. Learn from others' mistakes. Don't fall for these traps. Number 1. Copying phrases. Enhances academic performance, becomes improve school results. Number 2. Using examples. Don't mention specific books, people, or stories. Number 3. Writing paragraphs. Must be numbered points, not flowing text. Number 4. Being too vague. For example, it's good. Say exactly how it's good. Stay sharp. Follow the system. Trust the process. Strategy number 5. The 20-minute battle plan. Here is your minute-by-minute exam strategy. Minute 1 to 2. Read the instructions carefully and understand the question. Minute 3 to 7. Read the passage twice. Mark 8 to 10 possible points. Minutes 8 to 9. Choose your strongest 7 points. Minutes 10 to 17. Write and paraphrase. Spend time here. Minutes 18 to 19. Count words. Refine language. Minute 20. Final scan. Add word count. Move to the next question. Pro tip. If you finish early, use extra time to improve your paraphrasing. That's where language marks come from. Strategy number 6. Practice like a champion. Practice makes perfect. Your training schedule for summary writing success. Week number 1 to 2. Master the method without time pressure. Focus on finding main points. Practice paraphrasing individual sentences. Week 3 to 4. Add the 20-minute timer. Build speed while maintaining accuracy. Week 5 plus onwards. Perfect your paraphrasing. Build your synonym bank. See description for free download. Here is your daily drill. Spend 5 minutes. Take any newspaper article or textbook paragraph. Find 3 main points. Rewrite each in your own words. Struggling with paraphrasing? Start by changing just 1 word per sentence. Ready for advanced moves? Try flipping entire sentence structures. Strategy number 7. Advanced power moves. Want to stand out? Here are your secret weapons. Build a synonym bank. Collect a list of alternatives for common words. For example, Good becomes beneficial, useful, helpful, and positive. Bad becomes harmful, damaging, and problematic. Important becomes significant, crucial, and essential. Master sentence flipping. Here's the original sentence. Technology helps students learn faster. Now, look at this flipped sentence. Learners improve their understanding more quickly through technology. These are your top achiever moves. Strategy number 8. Self-check system. After each practice, ask yourself these questions. Number 1. Understanding check. Did I truly grasp the passage's main message? Number 2. Clarity check. Are my 7 points distinct and clear? Number 3. Language check. Does this sound like my voice, not the passage author's? Number 4. Completeness check. Do my points fully answer the question asked? Remember, summary writing is a skill, not a talent. The more you practice this system, the more automatic it becomes. Your summary success formula: 7 clear points plus 70 words maximum plus 0 copying equals to 10 marks every time. Your mission? Pause this video right now. Try the points method on any passage. Use a newspaper article, textbook chapter, anything. Then comment below with your word count and how it felt. Free bonus: download our complete practice pack with 10 summary questions and model answers. Link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more grade 12 English FAL hacks. From me to all of you, dominate your Matric exams. You have absolutely got these, South Africa.